Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial series, we are modeling the skateboard in Blender and adding high quality PBR texture in Substance Painter. In this video, we will create a high poly version of the skateboard and export both the high and low poly version to Substance Painter for baking and texturing. If you have any suggestion or feedback about my videos, then please share it in the comment box. I will try to answer it. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it because here you will keep getting tutorial series like this every week. Thank you. Let's rename the collection. This collection will be for low poly. Now press C and V to duplicate the collection. Now drag the duplicate collection outside. Now this collection is for high poly. Select all the pieces and add suffix to each piece. Now delete the 0.001 digits from each piece in the high poly collection. Add suffix to the high pieces as well. Now we make the high poly version of the low poly model in this collection and export as high poly. I am adding supporting edges to sharp edges so that it will not look bland or leave its basic shape when I add subdivision surface. Now the high poly version is ready to export. Let's export both meshes to Substance Painter for baking. We are in Substance Painter now. Let's import the low poly model first. This is our low poly model ready to bake. Let's import the high poly model as well. We have imported both the models and we have chosen all the settings. Now let's bake the maps and get ready to texture the skateboard. If you like this video, then please turn on the notification icon so that you will get notification whenever I upload the next video. As you can see that our high poly model smoothness is applied to our low poly model and all sharp edges are looking smooth and curved. The light is reflecting very nicely. Everything is set up nicely. We can save the file now. Thanks for watching the video till the end. In the next video, we will start texturing the skateboard in Substance Painter. I have uploaded many other high quality 3D game asset tutorial series recently in my channel. I hope you like them too. If you have any suggestion or feedback about my videos or you want me to model and texture any particular 3D game asset for you, then please share it in the comment box. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then please subscribe it because here you will keep getting tutorial series like this every week. Thank you.